Today we are going to build number blocks 1 to 10. Red, for number block 1. Orange, 2 blocks. Yellow for number block 3. Green for number block 4. Blue for number block 5. Purple for number block 6. A rainbow for number block 7. Eight magenta color blocks for number block 8. 1, 2, 3, 3 white blocks. 1, 2, 3, 3 gray blocks, and 1, 2, 3, 3 black blocks for number block 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 white blocks for number block 10. Hi, I'm Samuel. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye, I hope you like the video.